Hi guys, this is Serena again and welcome back to my channel. So I just want to share with you guys on how to start and how to end your day. So perfect way to start and end your day is to make some coffee. So let's make coffee using this Javy concentrated coffee. So come on, let's go. So, Javy is a microdose coffee concentrate, 100% Arabica artisan coffee with 30 serving in one bottle. You can get started by simply take 1 to 2 teaspoons of microdose and mix it with your favorite liquid for a perfect cup of coffee. Then, you can adjust the coffee based on your liking. Like me, I like it strong, that's why I put a lot of coffee on it. So, that's what Javy coffee is. Hi guys, I already mixed it, so it's time to try. Let's try it. Oh, I like it. It's very strong because I put too much Javy concentrate, but it's the way I like it. So this is a recommended brand for me, so you guys must try it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video and God bless you. Bye!